Hello farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. I've been talking about how to prepare your pond if you want to stock your fish, and I haven't shown you videos on how it is done, though I've shown you some that you can do, like demolding, doing the demolding and making some preparation before you stock your fish. But just in case you just dig your pond or you are preparing the pond, there are some things you are going to use, and I'm using one inside this video. So you can use salt to prepare your pond, you can use lime to prepare your pond, and also use a chemical called formalin to prepare your pond before you stock your fish. So if you just dig the pond newly, or you are just preparing the pond, so you can do that before you stock your fish. As you can see, please, it's just that I'm used to using hands, that is why I'm using hands. Sometimes I use nylon or glove, but right now I have other alternative than to use my hands. That is why I'm using hands. And if at all you don't have any other alternative than to use your hands too, please make sure to clean your hands, like to wash it very well. After you apply lime, you use your hands to apply lime to your pond. And if you are applying, like you can see in this video, you can see that I don't pour the lime on the bags, I pour it on the ground. Even if at all I'm going to pour the lime on the bags, it should be on the first coach that is on the ground, the first coach starting from the level 1. So I'm going to pour it on it. Why? It's because before the water reach the level, maybe you apply the lime on the third, from the ground to the third level of the bags, before the water could reach that place, you might have decided to stock your fish. And if chemicals still remain on the side of the bags and you stock your fish like that, that will affect your catfish whenever time water reach that place and the chemical now mix up with the water you stock your fish. So to avoid mortality, that is why I don't apply the lime to a higher level. So if the water gets into the pond, so before it reach level 2, the second coach of the bag, the chemical would have already finished its work and the pond will be lively again. So that is why I don't apply the lime to the top of the bags. So just in case you want to apply your own lime too, make sure you do it inside, and make sure you have lime that are sufficient for the pond, so you apply it to the right place. Why did I drain the whole water before I apply my own lime? That is because I want the lime to work very effectively. That is why I drain the water. So before the water replenish, the lime would have killed all the things like germs or bacteria that will affect the fish. Any disease that is inside the pond, the lime would have dealt with it before the water dilutes with the chemical. So this pond, it will take it 5 to 7 days. Some is probably 5 and some are 7 days before the pond become lively again. When something is lively, that means that thing is good enough to hold anything, any living things, any living organism, anything that is breathing. So the pond will be ready to hold the fish. So then you can stock your fish after 7 days. Some are probably, like I said, 5, and some are 6, some are 7. So after 7 days, so you have to stock your juvenile, be it your fingerlings, be it your post fingerlings. Then you stock them, you start raising. You can actually mix salt with these too. After you apply this, you apply salt too, so it doesn't stop anything. And if there is a little bit water in it, you can apply your formalin too. So whatever system you choose to do, if you decide to add both salt and lime together in the same pond, it is not a bad idea. And if you decide to wet it with formalin, to treat it with formalin too, it is not a bad idea. So the only thing that I want you to do is make sure you prepare your pond whenever time you want to stock your fish, so that you can get a good result, so that you don't have to fight diseases inside the same pond. So I hope you understand this. So this is all I want you to know about how to apply effective lime or chemical in your pond before you stock your fish. Lime is not made to treat pond alone, it is made to refertilize ponds too. So thanks you for watching all our videos. We appreciate you all. Thank you for subscribing. Keep on subscribing. We love you all.